In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively promote your products using Google and Gumroad, a powerful e-commerce platform that makes it super easy to sell your work. Whether you're an independent creator, a digital artist, or an entrepreneur, utilizing platforms like Gumroad can help you reach a larger audience and increase sales. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to head over to Gumroad. It all starts by navigating to their website, which you can easily find by typing Gumroad into Google. This will bring you to a clean, user-friendly page where you can log in or sign up if you don't have an account yet. The process is straightforward. Just enter your email, create a strong password, and you're in. Once logged in, you have access to a series of tools designed to help you manage your digital products efficiently and intuitively. Take a moment to explore the dashboard and familiarize yourself with the different sections such as products, customers, and analytics. All these features are there to provide insights into your sales and audience engagement. Now let's talk about promotion, which is key in attracting potential buyers to your products. One effective strategy is using discount codes, which you can easily create right on the Gumroad platform. Discounts can encourage more people to purchase since everyone loves a good deal. Consider offering seasonal discounts or special promotions to celebrate your shop's anniversaries, product launches, or even just as a limited time offer. Communicate these deals through clear messaging in your product descriptions or via email notifications to your existing customer base. Additionally, sharing your Gumroad product links on social media platforms can also significantly boost visibility and sales. Social media is a vital tool in today's marketing world, with platforms like TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram being especially powerful for reaching diverse audiences. You can create engaging content around your product, like a short video clip or a compelling post showcasing your creation, and include a call to action with a link to your Gumroad page. Remember to maintain a consistent posting schedule and engage with your audience by responding to comments and sharing user-generated content. Ultimately, this dedication will contribute to a loyal following and potentially increase your product's reach. Lastly, collaborate with other creators. Collaboration opens doors to new audiences and helps position your products in different markets. Look for creators whose work complements yours but isn't directly competitive. Together, you can co-produce content or cross-promote each other's products, further expanding your reach and introducing your offerings to eager new fans. And there you have it. By going to Gumroad, leveraging discount codes, sharing strategically across social media, and collaborating with peers, you can effectively promote and grow your product sales. With a little creativity and consistent effort, you'll be well on your way to expanding your audience and making the most out of your digital offerings. Thanks for watching and happy selling.